Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so for today's video, this is episode 132 of our 365-day daily devotionals. So this daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it's absolutely wonderful. I love this devotional. I feel like it's really helped me a lot. So if you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check those out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, so we're going to be doing number 132 today, but I just wanted to let you guys know I'm obviously back home. I'm home from Florida. We had a fantastic time, y'all. Oh my goodness, such a great time. I was with a wonderful group of ladies, most of which were literally family, so that was awesome. I got to spend some time with one of my aunts that I'm very, very close to, and we haven't gotten to spend much time together lately, so that was a lot of fun. And then her daughter, who I actually haven't spent any time with hardly since she was a little girl, and she's like 20 now. So we got to, get to know each other in a different way, as adults, whatever. So that was a lot of fun, but we really had a great time. It was so relaxing and just such a perfect reset for me. I needed it. I know that I needed it. I had almost talked myself out of going. I was really nervous about it. I don't know why. I was just nervous to leave home or something. I don't know. Just a lot of anxiety over leaving, but I'm so glad that I did because it was just such a great time. But anyway, so I just wanted to tell y'all that I am back home, and I have a huge surprise. I'm so excited about this. So I had one of my viewers contact me, and she thought that it would be a great idea to do a giveaway during the daily devotionals, and I thought it was awesome. So that's what we're going to do. But what we're giving away is a brand new Jesus Calling devotional. And not only do I have one, I have two, I have three. I have 3 daily devotionals to give away, guys. I'm so excited. This is so awesome. The viewer's name is Constance. I don't know if she wants me to say her last name on the channel, but I did want you guys to know that she did this. I think it is so wonderful. It is so special because these books they're not cheap. So very, very excited about this. If you would like to be a part of this giveaway, or you're interested in getting one of these daily devotionals, then please leave your name and some way for me to contact you in the description box. So maybe by email, text message, whatever you're comfortable with, just please leave it in the comment section. That way I'll be able to get in touch with you, and then we'll just do a drawing or whatever and see who wins. I'm so excited about this. This is just so awesome, guys. 3 of them, not just one. We have 3 daily devotionals to give away. So exciting. And it's literally the exact same one that I use, except my cover came off of mine because I use it literally every day. So anyways, whatever. But these are so beautiful. I'm so excited about their leather. So nice, guys. So nice. All right. So don't forget, leave your name and some way for me to contact you, however you're comfortable doing that. All right. Let's jump right into number 132. Well, I lost my page. Hang on. Okay. Thank me for your problems. As soon as your mind gets snagged on a difficulty, bring it to me with thanksgiving. Then ask me to show you my way to handle the situation. The very act of thanking me releases your mind from its negative focus. As you turn your attention to me, the problem fades in significance and loses its power to trip you up. Together we can deal with the situation, either facing it head on or putting it aside for later consideration. Most of the situations that entangle your mind are not today's concerns. You have borrowed them from tomorrow. In this case, I lift the problems out of today and deposit it into the future, where it is veiled from your eyes. In its place, I give you peace, which flows freely from my presence. So good. So good. Thank me for your problems. As soon as your mind gets snagged on a difficulty, bring it to me with thanksgiving. What's your first thought when problems arise? Do you go straight to God, or do you start to try to fix it? Do you try to run from it? Are you trying to hide from your problems? What do you do? What's your first thought when problems come up? I try to fix it myself. I am very much so, okay, what do I do? Now let's fix this. I like for things to be a certain way all the time. I'm very OCD, anal, whatever, however you want to say it. I am definitely that way. I like for things to just be a certain way, anyways, whatever. So I am bad about when something comes up, I immediately, go to, okay, how do we fix this? What do we do? There's let's do this. And that's not the way that we should do things. We should absolutely take it straight to God first thing. Thank Him for it, even if it seems like it's terrible. Thank Him for it and give it to God immediately. Let God tell us how to deal with it. Let God help us interpret exactly what is going on. It's not that easy to do, but that's exactly what we need to do. So good. The very act of thanking me releases your mind from its negative focus. As you turn your attention to me, the problem fades in significance and loses its power to trip you up. Together, we can deal with the situation, either facing it head on or putting it aside for later consideration. Some problems aren't problems at all. They're actually blessings. We view them as problems, but if we could just see them through God's eyes, we would see that they're blessings. I know that I always go back to the same things, but I explained that to y'all last week. But people could look at me and say, well, bless her heart. She lost her house and that tornado came and it took everything she had, and, just bless her heart. That tornado was a blessing, guys. It was a blessing. I've been shown so much kindness and love and just unbelievable kindness from people since that happened. The people that are helping us build our house for nothing. You know what I mean? Like, we're getting a new house, a brand spanking new house. We probably wouldn't have built this soon. I mean, yes, we had talked about it, but there was nothing in stone that we were going to build. And not only that, it wouldn't have happened this soon. That tornado was absolutely a blessing. But it was until I gave it to God and started to see it through His eyes that I realized that. You know what I mean? If we give it to God immediately, it keeps us from trying to do it ourselves or feeling self-pity or having a negative focus. If you just take it straight to God immediately, it shows God that you are relying on Him and Him alone. God will bless you for that. Absolutely 100% God will bless you. Yeah. says, in its place I give you peace, which flows freely from my presence. When you take it to God, you're in his presence. God will give you peace. Take your problems to him. Stop trying to fix it yourself. Stop trying to hide from it. Stop trying to run from it. Just give it to God. Ask God to help you understand it. Ask God to help you know what to do with it. But give it to God. And I know that's easier said than done. Trust me. But it's the best option. All right, let's do the verses. This verse right here I absolutely love, and this one is the one that I put above my bedroom door. You know, we wrote the verses on the headers in our house, and so this verse that I'm about to read is the one that I put above my bedroom door. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Philippians 4:6. The rest of that verse says, present your requests to God, and the peace that surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. All right. Show me your ways, O Lord. Teach me your paths. Guide me in your truth and teach me. For you are God, my Savior, and my hope is in you all day long. Psalms 25:4-5. Peace I leave you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. John 14:27. That's a very good verse too. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. There's nothing that God can't handle. Nothing. And there's no situation in your life that God cannot bring peace about. I promise you that. I've been there. I've lived this. So good. As your mind gets snagged on a difficulty, bring it to me with thanksgiving. Then ask me to show you my way to handle the situation. The very act of thanking me releases your mind from its negative focus. As you turn your attention to me, the problem fades in significance and loses its power to trip you up. Together, we can deal with the situation, either facing it head on or putting it aside for later consideration. Just take it to God. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Do not forget, put your name and some way for me to contact you in the comments section. And we're going to be putting out those devotionals very, very soon. I'm so excited about that, y'all. And thank you so much, Miss Constance. This is just, it's so kind and just such a sweet, sweet thing to do. So thank you again. Thank y'all for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.